Welcome, in front of me I have REALME 8 Pro, and today we are going to make the fingerprint sensor test. So let's unlock our smartphone, and in the smartphone you can find the fingerprint sensor in this place. So just take a look how it works. Okay, as you can see, sometimes it doesn't want to recognize my fingerprint. Okay, right now it works. Maybe I just put my finger a little bit outside the middle of the sensor, because right now it performs good. Okay, so I can say that it works fast, and the good point for the smartphone is that we have already installed the tempered glass on the screen, as you can see right here. You can spot it right here. There we get the tempered glass, and also here at the bottom. So even when you put on the screen tempered glass, the sensor will work really fast. So it's really good. Now let's try another time, the last one. Yeah, so as you can see, that's how it works. And if you find this video helpful, remember to have a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.